morning guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a very quick painting using some reds, some blues, and this beautiful green you see here. I have a 11 by 14, no, 12 by 16 canvas here, and my base will be a white base. So basically this is gonna be a very quick I'm just gonna pour the white base on top of this canvas, and just as usual I am going to just spread it. Well, actually I'm just gonna pour a puddle, and then I'll put the paint, the colors on the puddle, and then I will stretch it, and we'll see what happens. I'll start with the white. I'll start with the red, my crimson red with a little bit of Mars black, and next I will do the blue. That's my beautiful mixture of blue. Check the description to see what I've mixed them with. I've put like ultramarine blue, phthalo blue on that one, and this is my phthalo green and iridescent green that is mixed in there, and there's a little bit phthalo blue as well, so it's really pretty. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pour them in a puddle like I'm doing, and just go ahead and tilt it and make my design. So keep watching to see the outcome. It's really gonna look pretty when it's done. It's gonna be beautiful, so keep watching. Some parts again I will time lapse because I don't want it to be a very long video, so I'll time lapse and enjoy the music and the process. Okay, right now I'm just adding a little bit the white, a little bit of the white base. That way we can have better movement of my colors. Yeah, if you have watched most of my videos, I kind of do this. I put a little bit white or whatever base color I'm using on the sides. That way it can give us a better fluidity, like a movement. And just spread it with my palette knife, so the edges and the corners will be covered, and my colors will move better over the canvas. Okay, so without any further ado, let's go ahead and just watch and enjoy the process, and I hope you like it, and great for watching. Thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate you being here, please come back and watch more of my videos, because I try to post 2 times a week. I've decided to kind of post on Mondays and Thursdays whenever possible, but you know, that's the schedule I'm trying to go for. So look for my videos on Mondays and Thursdays, yeah, thank you so much for being here. Enjoy. If you're new to my channel, it's great to have you here. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest and future videos. You can see guys, guys, I ended up kind of parting the puddle in the middle and put the white base color in the middle, because I didn't want it to be to cover the canvas, like the same colors on the canvas. I wanted to have some kind of a divide, so I went ahead and divided it so I can have at least a negative space, and the negative space is in the middle this time. This is something different that I haven't tried before. So yeah, and then I will add a little bit more color on the sides, blue colors on the sides, so it will look a little bit defined. You know, the color will be popping, and they will pop and define the painting. So right now I'm just waiting to see if we have any cells popping out. If not, you know, we'll try to do our swiping with cell activator, and just, you know, just putting some colors down to try to make some defining, you know, to define the design here. So yeah, just keep watching, and it will all come together and it will be beautiful at the end. Okay, thank you so much. Keep watching, and I'll just kind of come in and out of the video just to say a few things and tell you what is going on. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add some colors. You can see I'm adding some green color there, just so I can define the design here, and I will that will be followed by some blue, and the blue would really make this pop. Once the blue is done, then the painting will be done. So let's go ahead and add that blue. This is my the blue mixture that I have, which is the phthalo blue and ultramarine blue. I'll go ahead and add it on there, and just tilt it, and once it's all nice and tilted, it's gonna have the sides will be really awesome, because you can really see the blue pop. And I'm trying to put the white, because the white has the cell activating. I put the enamels there, the satin enamels, so that is what brings out the cell. So that's why you saw me put the white first, and then the blue, and then when I tilt the blue, I tilt the blue over the white. That way the cells can pop out of the white and above the blue. It's a technique that works, but it's very hard to explain. Anyway, so that is what is going on, and yeah. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. share with your friends and family, and God bless. Bye.